Hi, I'm Haley Tincher and I will be performing a chemical reaction by making elephant toothpaste for my end of semester project. So I have 3% hydrogen peroxide, Dawn dish soap, and active dry yeast. So it called for half a cup of hydrogen peroxide, some Dawn dish soap, and it says to swirl. And now I will be adding the yeast mixture, and you can see that a foam is forming. The bubbles in the foam are indicators of a chemical reaction, and the formation of bubbles also indicate a gas release. And there's also, you can feel heat being released, and this proves that it's an exothermic reaction, and these are all indicators of a chemical reaction. And why is the foam forming? When hydrogen peroxide comes into contact with yeast, it starts breaking down into water and oxygen. This is known as an oxidation reduction reaction because it loses one oxygen atom to create water. Oxygen, being a gas, wants to escape the liquid, but the dish soap in the reaction traps these gas bubbles, creating the foam. And then this is the chemical equation. And it's also a decomposition reaction because you have the breakdown of hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen gas by the catalyst yeast. So, and that's it.